Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing our newest listing here at the National Golf and Country Club in Ave Maria, Florida. This is 5938 Berwick. This is the Maria floor plan. It's part of the executive line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Maria here is 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, over 2,200 square foot with a 2-car garage. Let's walk inside here. So first thing you notice, you have that nice glass paned front door. And then we come into the foyer area, and off to the right side of the Maria here. This is where you're gonna have your 2 of your guest bedrooms here. Here's guest bedroom number 1. The nice painted accent wall there. Notice we have tile throughout this home. Then we have the guest bath here with the quartz countertops, a singular sink, the commode, the combination tub and shower, which this owner has added the glass shower doors to. And then straight past the guest bath, this is your den or 4th bedroom option here. So there is a closet and a window. This could be used as a bedroom, and you do have pocketing doors here to close this off, as well as that door there to enclose the room. So you notice this brings us right out towards the front area here. And then coming across the den area or the 4th bedroom, this is where you have your other guest bedroom here. And this one has an ensuite bath here with a shower with the glass doors that were added. And you still have your singular sink, the commode as well. Now, just off of this bedroom, you have access to the garage and your laundry space here. So full-size washer and dryer. You've got the utility sink, the added cabinets above. And then in the garage, this owner has done something that's a little unique here. So coming out into the garage area here, you're going to notice a couple of things. First, they've added additional storage on the ceiling here, but they've taken their air handler here, as opposed to where it was originally right up in the space hanging on the ceiling there. This owner dropped it down to ground level, so it's easily maintained and you can change out your filters nice and easy. All right, so coming back into the main area of the home, once we're past the entry hallway, this opens up into this nice great room design here with your kitchen overlooking the great room and your dining space here. You've got the double tray ceilings, one over the dining and one over the great room there. But let's focus our attention right now on the kitchen area. So you've got a full stainless appliance package here, white cabinets. You've got this beautiful backsplash that was added by the owner here. You've got under cabinet lighting, quartz countertops, and again, this overlooks your dining and great room space here. You've got a wall oven and microwave. You've got the walk-in pantry right here. So the Maria is a really nice open concept here. Now, directly off the kitchen, we've got the owner's retreat. So really nice size room here with access out to your exterior patio spaces. You've got 2 closets, one on each side, his and hers type closets. Then we have the owner's bath here with the dual sinks, the huge glass enclosed shower there. You've got a linen closet, and then you've got your private enclosed water closet here. Now, last but not least on this home is the exterior living spaces. So on the outside of this home, you'll notice a beautiful summer kitchen, as well as a gorgeous pool overlooking the views. So here we have the summer kitchen here with the grill and the mini fridge and the vented hood there. You've got plenty of space under truss. So nice covered spot. This owner has also added a hurricane screen here. So you can see that on the outside of the lanai. So that just drops down and protects everything right in this space here. And then last but not least, you've got your exterior views and your beautiful pool here. So this overlooks the golf course as well as a couple of lakes that are on either side. Now the owner has also added accordion shutters on the other windows of this home. So this home is storm protected. All right, folks, so if you are interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information that you see below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.